Time to release the chickens. Need to make a couple modifications to their pen so I don't have to do this every morning. We added a little hatch here, which makes it a lot easier to add compost. But the problem is it's not secure. Yeah, totally could get something going in there. So I need to finish that hatch. Need some stronger wood. Just haven't had time to go to Lowe's and get it. Until then, we're just closing the chickens into their house each night and then letting them out in the morning for breakfast. Good morning, girls. The chicken cameras are almost ready. The nesting box one is perfect, but they're not in the nesting boxes most of the day. So I've got to find a better angle for the camera that shows their yard. The place where I put it only shows one of the two little runs they have, and they keep bumping their heads into it and getting it off track. So chicken cams will be on soon.